weather ngayon. Summer na. So, nice to hang out with you guys.
Yes. Nag-iisip kami ng lulutuin for the next episode. So guys, meron ba kayong mga suggestions?
Yep. I think that you're craving
sisig or kilawin.
Sisig, kilawin. Mga pampulutan yung nasa isip mo, ha?
Ano naman breakfast? Tapa. Tapa. Gusto niyo ka?
Pwede
Yeah.
rin.
Tapsilog.
Tapsilog.
Tapa, sinangag, at itlog.
Yeah.
With kape.
With kape.
With kape. Siyempre, kasama yung kape nun.
Tapsilog.
And coffee.
Yes. Okay, so tapsilog with coffee.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So, alam mo, ang tapsilog, not necessary pang breakfast lang. I mean, you could just eat that
Anytime.
anytime. Lunch, dinner, or
It's
breakfast. But typically, breakfast siya. Yeah, brunch na lang.
Tamang-tama may shinare sa atin si Lourdes na recipe ng tapa. So we can try that.
Yeah. I think meron akong tapa. I mean, beef.
Okay.
Meat. So we can try that.
What do we use?
Hindi ba
Ano
pepper
bang
steak?
meron ka pepper steak? Because
Yeah.
usually I use like skirt steak, pero since pepper steak ang meron tayo today,
Meron ako today.
we can use that. Okay.
Yep. Tsaka
Okay.
ano bang ingredients doon? So normally parang garlic, soy
Soy
sauce,
sauce,
brown sugar, calamansi juice or lemon juice,
yes,
salt, pepper.
pepper.
I guess that's it, right? Very simple
Yeah.
recipe.
It's a simple recipe, but we will have to marinate it 24 hours para you can really taste the flavor. And so tapa is like beef jerky, but it's not that dry. And then the sinangag is fried rice, and itlog is fried egg. We will fry the egg.
Come on.
Yeah.
Can you wait till tomorrow? Kasi
Sure.
magmamarinate pa kami ng
24 hours pala to.
24 hours in the making, yes.
yeah. Pero it will be worth it. Ang lasa.
Si Joy is always worth it talaga. no?
Worth it talaga. Siyempre, you know,
Worth the wait.
cooking is always
Patience.
patient.
Sabi nga ni Kuya Carl.
Nirarush mo. That means wala siyang love.
Okay.
So, yun.
I'm willing to wait 24 hours. Para lang
For
makakain
now,
ako ng tapan nyo.
Yeah. Try that. Pero ngayon, let's just enjoy our drinks and company.
Yeah.
Cheers to that.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers! So, since nag-crave kami ng tapsilog, we are going to marinate tapa. And then, also, we will make some fried rice and fried egg to complete the meal ng tapsilog.
So here are the ingredients. We need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of calamansi juice. So this is how it looks like. And we need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
We will also need 1 teaspoon black pepper, 5 cloves of garlic, minced or crushed, and 3 packages of or 2.5 pounds of beef round pepper steak.
We also need 1 cup of water. So let's go.
Let's marinate.
I will now combine the marinade here. So we have our toyo, our calamansi, and then our sugar. Oops, hold on. Our pepper. And garlic. Yummy garlic. So it's that easy, right? And just mix.
Alright, so habang minimix mo yan, anta ko tong meat natin. So, transfer this. Alright, so lalagay lang natin to sa bowl. Isa natin siya ma-marinate. Hindi kasali yun. Of course, hindi siya kasali. But Pwede gustong sumali. Okay, last one. And then, ready? We'll just pour everything here. Okay. I'll use our marinade and just pour like this, so get all that sugar and garlic in there. So now, para mag-even yung marinade natin, kailangan na spread ang sauce. Like that. Lahat kailangan distribute ang soy sauce natin. Yun lang yun, napakadali, di ba? The only thing is you have to wait 24 hours to taste a good tapa.
Napaka-dali lang yan. So you can prepare ahead of time and then just fry it. Or grill, even grill. Yes. Alright,
ito yung simpleng recipe for our tapa. So, kasi maraming version ang paggawa ng tapa. And this is our easy way version ng Marie and Joy. Wow! We'll cover it. We'll put it in the refrigerator and then we'll see you guys in our next video.
Now it's time to fry the tapa.
Alright, let's start.
So we will put the meat in the pan. And then after this, we will add the 1 cup of water. And the rest of the sauce. Yes, the rest of the marinated sauce. That smells good, Joy. Already. Everything's put in there. More room for this. Okay. Maybe is that enough? Like we can make a second batch. Okay. And then we will let it simmer and we will cover it and until the water is reduced. So
yeah,
so we'll just soften the meat. And now, Joy, if you're ready to, while we're waiting for this, we can fry the rice so we can eat.
I can start. I'm going to make a fried rice. A little bit of oil here.
So we preheated the pan.
Yeah, we preheated in a medium heat. Start with garlic. Fry it to medium heat. And make sure your rice is a day old for better.
The older the better.
The older the better. So we'll just pour everything in here. I like a lot of garlic too.
Garlic is good for you.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay, so let's...
Tapsilog, long silog.
We can also add a little bit of salt because we'll be adding...
Oh yeah, we'll be adding the sauce from here to there. So let me add some sauce here. So for this one, for the tapa, we're waiting for the water to reduce a little, and then we will scoop some of the sauce and put it in the fried rice. It's ready now. We're gonna get a little bit of the sauce and put it here. Maybe I can tilt it. Is that enough? More. Ubus na eh. It's really, but we have some more to cook.
This is good.
One more.
Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna mix everything in here to even out the sauce.
And I can...
Yun. So, naluto tayo ng egg. Eggs. And let's wait till the oil is hot enough for our eggs. Okay. Let's crack it. Let's put this. And then we'll put a little bit of salt, just a little, just a pinch, and a little bit of pepper, just like that. That's how I like my eggs. So let's start with this cube. And this is how I do my eggs. Slow cook. And in a few minutes, our tapsilog will be ready. Oh, that's the only thing I don't like.
Yeah.
Let's reduce that fire. Oh my God, Marie, that was really good. Another craving satisfied.
I really miss the food from the Philippines. Well, aside from family and friends.
Yes, ako rin, syempre, we miss our family, but sa akin,
food.
the food. Kasi it's hard to have that here.
Yes.
Anyway.
So I hope you try our recipe and let us know how you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
See you next time.
See you guys.
Bye.